So we finally have the weekend free. No work, no family visits, no obligations. I thought maybe we could plan something together, right? We never do that anymore. I don't remember the last time we did that. And I think it could be nice to decide something just the two of us. I am tired, but I want to go out with you. What do you think we should do?
Yeah, I was thinking the same. Maybe we could stay at home, rest a bit, watch some movies, and not go out too much. I've been very tired lately, and honestly, I just want peace and quiet this weekend.
Stay at home? Again? We do that every weekend. I was thinking about going somewhere. Maybe a small trip, or at least going out to eat or walk. I don't know. I don't want to feel like every weekend is exactly the same. Please.
But going out costs money, and it's stressful. Traffic, people, noise. You know, I don't enjoy that anymore. I thought you knew that by now.
And you know I don't enjoy staying inside all the time. I feel trapped. I feel like we are slowly disappearing inside this house. I don't know why. Why does everything have to be your way?
What does everything have to be your way? I'm just trying to relax. You always want more, always want something different, something bigger. It's exhausting. I'm very tired.
See, this is exactly what I mean. I was not wrong. We can't even talk about a weekend without turning it into an argument. We never agree anymore. It's always like this. I'm really tired.
And why does it have to be my fault? I know we fight every day. You know what? Forget the weekend. Let's talk about something else then. I don't want to fight with you anymore. Let's talk about money, for example.
Money. Now you want to talk about money. Okay, go ahead.
We need to be careful. We are spending too much lately. and it worries me. I think we should save more and stop buying unnecessary things because there are a lot of things that we don't need. You get it.
Unnecessary things. You mean the things I buy, right? Of course. And when you buy things, you call them important. But when I do it, it's a problem. I'm tired of feeling judged all the time.
That's not what I mean. I just think we need to think about the future. You spend money like everything will always be okay. You always do.
And you live like we are always about to lose everything. Always. I don't want to live with fear. I want to enjoy life too. Do you understand?
And enjoy life doesn't mean being irresponsible.
Lucas, and being responsible doesn't mean killing all joy.
Why are we always fighting? Even small topics turn into big problems. We talk about weekends, money, food, even simple decisions, and we always end up angry. This didn't happen before.
Because you changed. You became serious, cold, and distant. You are always thinking, always worried, always in your own world.
No, you changed. You became impatient, demanding, and never satisfied. Nothing I do is enough for you anymore. Nothing. No matter what.
See? Blame again. That's all we do now. I can't do this again. We blame each other for everything. Why do we do that?
You know why? Because I feel like I'm always wrong in your eyes.
And I feel like I'm invisible in yours. You never see me.
Stop, please. Stop for a second. I don't want to fight anymore. I'm tired of arguing. I don't want to win. I don't want to be right. I just want to understand what is happening to us. When did we become like this?
I ask myself the same question. Sometimes I look at you and you feel like a stranger. Not because you are bad, but because you are different. And I am different too. We both are. We are different.
I think we slowly started living separate lives while being in the same house. You with your goals, your interests, your thoughts, me with mine. We stopped sharing, we stopped listening, we stopped doing that.
Yes, we focused so much on surviving, on working, on routines that we forgot how to be a couple. We forgot how to be curious about each other.
Maybe maybe we don't want the same things anymore. Maybe we changed too much. And maybe forcing this is only hurting us more.
What what do you mean? Are you saying we should separate?
Uh, I don't know. I'm saying that maybe we need to accept that we are not the same people we were before. Just that. And maybe love is not enough if we are walking in different directions.
That hurts to hear because when I think about us, I don't think only about now. I think about everything we lived, our laughs, our dreams, our beginnings. I don't want to throw that away.
Neither do I. Those memories mean everything to me. That's why this hurts so much. If I didn't care, this could be easy.
Maybe instead of ending everything, we should take some time, not to escape, but to breathe, to think, to remember who we are, alone and together. I don't.
Time scares me. What if time only makes us more distant?
And what if staying like this destroys us completely?
That's a fair point. And that is a possibility too. God, let me ask you something, and please be honest. Do you still love me?
Yes, I do. Not the same way as before, maybe, but I do love you. The problem is that love feels tired.
I feel the same. The love is there, but it's buried under frustration. Also, routine and silence. That's what I feel.
then maybe this is our last chance not to go back to the past, but to build something new, something more honest. I don't know.
One last fight, not against each other, but for us.
Yes, one last try with effort, with patience, with real conversations.
If we fail, at least we'll know we didn't give up easily.
And if we succeed, maybe we'll find each other again in a different way.
Okay, so what do you want to do this weekend?
Maybe we don't need a perfect plan. Maybe we just start by talking.
You mean really talking? I like that idea. I think we're gonna be fine.